ReadSpeaker TextAid is a tool that will do more than just read your lessons in your class. To see it in action, let's go to the course, ReadSpeaker TextAid, Section 1. In this course, we see the link for TextAid. Click on the link. Log in if prompted. Now let's install the TextAid Bookmarklet and the Chrome extension. There are similar extensions for Firefox, Edge, and Opera. To begin, click on Web Reading, and then the desktop link. For installing the Bookmarklet, scroll down to Other Browsers, and click on the Other Browsers link. Click and drag the TextAid web reader link to your bookmarks toolbar. Various browsers have different ways to add bookmarks. We also suggest that you bookmark the TextAid platform to your bookmarks bar. Now that we have the Bookmarklet set up, let's add the Chrome extension. Click on the desktop link and then click on Google Chrome. Click on the link, ReadSpeaker TextAid for Chrome in the Google Chrome Store. It will come up with the ReadSpeaker TextAid extension on the page. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. You now see the ReadSpeaker TextAid browser extension to the right of the URL on your address bar. You are now ready to use these tools.